Hello everyone, this is 10:38 on February 8th, 2013. We're currently in the brunt of Winter Storm Nemo, as the Weather Channel calls it, or the blizzard of 2013, as everyone else calls it. We currently, in West Islip, New York, currently have about 6 to 8 inches. You can't really tell due to the blowing of the snow. We currently have 6 to 8 inches. It is 10:38, and we are now in the bend that has been over Long Island for the majority of the storm. It's been putting down plenty of snow over Nessequag. They had 14 inches as of a few hours ago, so I imagine they have maybe 18 or so now. We have snowfall rate of about 3 inches per hour. It is just so much coming down. The wind is about 30 miles an hour. We just had our strongest gust about 10 minutes ago of 50 or 60, and we basically have whiteout conditions. You can't really see up the street past the two lights, so all you can barely see is the lights. Very heavy snow coming down. Before, we had about 1.5 inches or so of sleet, which was very wet and stuck to the trees. The trees, very icy and heavy under the snow. They have about 1.5 inches or so of ice, and the snow just really continues to come down. Very hard to see at times. It's also just very hard to walk outside. Visibility is very low, and about 8 or so inches on the ground. It's like I said, it's about 10:40 now, and we're supposed to have snow, heavier snow, till about 7 or 8 in the morning. And if we have heavy snow like this even till about 5 or 6 in the morning, we'll still get a very good snow total. We have about 3 inches coming down per hour, and they expect this to get stronger, so we might probably get some thunder snow soon. You hear that? That's the wind just howling away. And we had one clap of thunder at the beginning of this blizzard part of the storm, and this afternoon we were going back and forth. We were really in a battle trying to get it to turn over the snow. We were in sleet for so long, probably about 3 hours or so, and it was just coming down, and it was mixing with snow every so often, but as it mixed with snow, it just went right back to sleet. So the snow is very much picking up in West Islip. I say up to 24 inches of regular snowfall and up to 4 or 5 feet with drifts. I mean, it's just blowing off of the rooftops, blowing off of the car tops. It's just blowing on the ground. So up to 2 feet for West Islip. I think the majority would probably be 18 to 24 by morning. We should have snow, heavier snow till about 7 or 8, tapering to a lighter snow, and then eventually tapering off by 12 or 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. So this is Winter Storm Nemo, the blizzard of 2013. Meteorologist Matthew Mastriani reporting from West Islip, Long Island, New York. Signing off.